Welcome to Health Miracles, your guide to unlocking the secrets of natural wellness. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the transformative power of homemade drinks in lowering uric acid levels. Join us as we explore a variety of refreshing beverages crafted from simple ingredients, each offering potential benefits to support your journey towards optimal health. Let's dive into the world of health-boosting drinks and uncover the wonders they hold in managing uric acid levels effectively. Top 9 homemade drinks that help in lowering uric acid levels. If you're experiencing body aches, joint pain, or muscle cramps, it's essential to take notice as these could signal elevated uric acid levels in your body. But what exactly is uric acid, and can it truly impact your health? Let's explore further. What is uric acid? Is it harmful? Uric acid is a natural byproduct of the body's breakdown of purines, commonly found in certain foods, that can pose harm to the body if levels become elevated. Factors such as fast-paced lifestyles, poor dietary habits, and stress can contribute to increased uric acid levels. This elevation can impact kidney, heart, and liver function, exacerbate body and muscle pain, induce joint discomfort, and compromise bone health, among other issues. Conditions like hyperuricemia, characterized by excessive uric acid in the bloodstream, can lead to kidney stone formation, arthritis, and gout. To naturally alleviate the effects of elevated uric acid, dietary adjustments can be beneficial. Here are some homemade drinks and juices that can aid in reducing uric acid levels in the body. Beverages you can make at home to lower uric acid levels. 1. Refreshing lemon water. Lemon water is known for its alkalizing properties, which can assist in balancing the body's pH levels. Additionally, it contains citric acid, which has the potential to dissolve uric acid crystals. To prepare, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. It's recommended to consume this concoction on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal benefits. Make it a daily habit for the best results in managing uric acid levels. 2. Apple cider vinegar beverage. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is believed to contribute to the alkalization of the body and support digestion, which may facilitate the elimination of uric acid. To prepare, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV with a glass of water. For enhanced flavor, you can add a touch of honey. It's advisable to consume this mixture once or twice daily, preferably before meals, to potentially assist in managing uric acid levels effectively. 3. Homemade cherry juice. Cherries are packed with compounds that have been associated with reducing inflammation and lowering uric acid levels. You can make cherry juice at home by juicing fresh cherries or by diluting unsweetened cherry juice with water. It's recommended to consume this drink daily, particularly during flare-ups of gout, to potentially alleviate symptoms and manage uric acid levels effectively. 4. Homemade ginger tea. Ginger tea is a soothing drink that can help lower uric acid levels and ease discomfort, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. To make ginger tea, simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon to enhance the flavor. It's recommended to enjoy this tea 2 to 3 times daily for potential relief from symptoms and support in managing uric acid levels. 5. Golden milk with turmeric. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, combines the benefits of turmeric with the soothing properties of milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory effects that may aid in lowering uric acid levels. To prepare, mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm milk. You can add honey for sweetness if desired. It's recommended to consume this beverage before bedtime to potentially maximize its effectiveness in reducing uric acid levels and promoting overall well-being. 6. Refreshing cucumber juice. Cucumbers are predominantly composed of water, making them an excellent choice for promoting hydration and aiding in the elimination of toxins, including uric acid. To enjoy cucumber juice, simply blend fresh cucumbers with water to create a refreshing beverage. It's advisable to consume this juice daily, particularly during hot weather, to stay hydrated and potentially assist in managing uric acid levels effectively. 7. Watermelon juice delight. Watermelon juice offers hydration and is enriched with compounds such as citrulline, known for their potential to regulate uric acid levels. To prepare, simply blend fresh watermelon chunks with a small amount of water. It's beneficial to consume this refreshing beverage regularly, particularly during the summer months, to stay hydrated and potentially support the management of uric acid levels. 8. Nourishing nettle tea. Nettle tea, derived from nettle leaves, boasts diuretic properties that can potentially enhance urine production and aid in flushing out excess uric acid. To prepare, steep dried nettle leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It's recommended to enjoy this herbal tea 2 to 3 times daily to potentially harness its benefits in managing uric acid levels effectively. 9. Baking soda elixir. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is believed to aid in alkalizing the body and dissolving uric acid crystals. To prepare a solution, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. It's advisable to consume this mixture once a day, but avoid prolonged use to prevent potential side effects such as elevated sodium levels. The bottom line: incorporating homemade drinks into your routine can potentially aid in managing uric acid levels. From lemon water to ginger tea, these beverages offer natural ways to promote hydration, support kidney function, and reduce inflammation. Remember to consume them in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions related to uric acid levels. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of how homemade drinks can aid in lowering uric acid levels. We hope you found these insights valuable on your path to better health. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Miracles for more informative content on natural wellness solutions. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay healthy, and stay tuned for more transformative tips.